We will study about religious harmony that existed during the time of Vijayanagar kings. Religious harmony that existed during the time of Vijayanagar kings. That we have today. Vijayanagar kings encouraged tolerance. Religious tolerance was the main idea of the Vijayanagar kings, or Vijayanagar kings really encouraged the idea of religious tolerance. Religious tolerance was encouraged by Vijayanagar kings. What is the meaning of religious tolerance that we have today? What is the meaning, or what is meant by religious tolerance that we should name? Religious tolerance. Religious tolerance means, what is meant by religious tolerance that we have to know? What is the meaning of religious tolerance? Tolerance means respecting or considering other religions as equal to our religion. That is religious tolerance. Considering other religions as equal to our religion is known by the name religious tolerance. Religious tolerance was there during the time of Vijayanagar kings. Religious tolerance. Religious tolerance was the main speciality of Vijayanagar kings. Religious tolerance. Religious tolerance was there during the time of Vijayanagar kings. Then what is that? They made one mosque. Mosque, you know very well what is the meaning of mosque. Mosque means religious worshipping places of Muslims. During the time of Vijayanagar kings, they made one masjid or mosque in their capital. There is another specialty. They made one masjid or mosque in their capital. There is a specialty. Capital city, one mosque was there. In their capital city, one masjid or mosque was there. That is the specialty. Then 1368 period. In 1368 period, what happened? That we have to think. In 1368 period, what actually happened? That we have to think. In 1368 period, in Sravana Belagola, we know that Sravana Belagola is in the state of Karnataka. Sravana Belagola. Sravana Belagola is there in the state of Karnataka. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. Sravana Belagola is there in the land of Karnataka. Sravana Belagola is there in Karnataka state. There what happened? In Sravana Belagola, Jain people were the Jains. In Sravana Belagoda, Jain people were there. And in Sravana Belagoda, Vaishnava people also were there. What is the meaning of Jain people? We know very well. What is the meaning of Jain people? What is the meaning of Jain people? We know. The religion which was established by Vardhamana Mahavira is known as which one? Jain religion. That is the meaning of Jain religion. So, Vaishnava people means those who believed in Mahavishnu. They are known by the name Vaishnava people. So, what is that? Jain people and Vaishnava people were there in Sravana Belagoda. In Sravana Belagoda, Jain people and Vaishnava people were there. They were fighting each other. Jain people and Vaishnava people. While they were fighting each other, what happened? Bukkaraya was there. Bukkaraya. While they were fighting, Bukkaraya was there. Bukkaraya was there. Then what happened? Bukkaraya was a Vijayanagar king. He went there and solved the problem between Vaishnavas and Jains. He really solved the problem between Vaishnavas and Jains. The problem was clearly solved by Bukkaraya. Barbosa. Barbosa is the name of a person that only you think. Don't think other things. Barbosa was a foreigner. Barbosa came to India during the time of Vijayanagara kings. During the time or during the days of Vijayanagara kings, Barbosa came to India. And Barbosa told that during the time of Vijayanagara kings, religious tolerance was there. Religious tolerance. That means during the time of Vijayanagara kings, Christians, Hindus, Islams, Jains, Buddhists and other sections were able to live together. They were able to live together without any problems. That means Barbosa is telling that. What is that? Barbosa is telling that during the time of Vijayanagara kings, what happened? During the time or during the days of Vijayanagara kings, religious tolerance was there. Religious tolerance was there during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Barbosa was a foreign traveler. Once more I will tell you this one, children. What is the meaning of this one? Once more I will tell you. Religious harmony. Religious harmony. What is that? During the time or during the days of Vijayanagara kings, during the time or during the days of Vijayanagara kings, religious harmony was there. During the time of Vijayanagara kings, there was the presence of religious harmony. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. During the time of Vijayanagara kings, religious tolerance was there. What is the meaning of religious tolerance? We have to think. during Vijayanagara period, all the people were living together. During Vijayanagara period, all the people were living together. They were living together. Then what happened? All of them were living together without any problems. That is known as tolerance. All the religious sections lived together. That was known as tolerance. And Vijayanagara kings made one mosque in their capital. What is the meaning of this one? They made one mosque in their capital. Mosque means Muslim religious places are known as mosque. That is the meaning of mosque. Who made it? They made one mosque here in their capital. They made or they created a mosque in their capital. They created or they made one mosque in the capital. They made one mosque. This shows that during the time of Vijayanagara kings, religious tolerance was there. During 1368 period, in Sravana Belagoda, there is a Karnataka state, Sravana Belagoda, Jain people and Vaishnavas began to fight. Jain people and Vaishnavas began to fight in Sravana Belagoda. They began to fight. Then what happened? During that time, Bukkaraya was during this particular period, Bukkaraya was Vijayanagara king. He went there and solved the problem between Jains and Vaishnavas. This shows that during the time of Vijayanagara kings, what was there? Religious tolerance was there. All the people lived together happily. All the people lived together happily during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Barbosa was a foreign traveler. Barbosa was a foreign traveler. What Barbosa did, that became a thing. Barbosa. What Barbosa did? Barbosa came to the land of India, Barbosa. And Barbosa told that during the Vijayanagara period, all the people were living happily. During the time of war, during the days of Vijayanagara kings, all the people were living happily, or all the people were living in a peaceful way. This was the opinion of Barbosa. This shows that during the Vijayanagara period, religious tolerance was there. Religious tolerance was there during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Dear children, we will move on to the next topic. Art and sculpture. Art and sculpture that happened during the Vijayanagara period. Art and sculpture. During the Vijayanagara period, art began develop far better than in any other time. During the time of Vijayanagara people, art began develop far better than in any other period. During whose period? During the Vijayanagara period, art began to develop. Art began to develop far better during the time of Vijayanagara period. During Vijayanagara period, art began to develop. Then what was that? And Percy Brown was a foreign traveler who came to India during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Percy Brown came to India or visited India during the days of Vijayanagara kings. Then they told that, or he told that, Dravidian style of art and architecture developed in India during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Dravidian style was a particular style of making buildings. Dravidian style. It was a particular style of making buildings. Dravidian style. So Dravidian style of making buildings were there during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Who told? Percy Brown told those time. They made buildings with granite. They made their buildings with granite. With granite, they have made their buildings with granite. With granite, they made their buildings. This was a special feature, or this was a speciality of Vijayanagara period. Granite they made. Then Virupaksha temple, they made temples. They made Virupaksha temple in Hampi. In Hampi, they made Virupaksha temple. And in Virupaksha temple, Dashavatara has been in Virupaksha temple, Dashavatara has been explained. In Virupaksha temple, Dashavatara has been explained. There is an inward speciality of Virupaksha temple. Vittal Swami temple was another one. Vittal Swami. Vittal Swami temple was another temple that was made by Vijayanagara people. Vittal Swami temple. Then what is that? Lemakshi temple was also there. Lemakshi temple. Levakshi temple was also there. Levakshi temple means it is known as Shaiva's agenda. It is known as the agenda of Shaiva people, Levakshi temple. Then here Shiva Purana has been explained. In Levakshi temple, Shiva Purana has been explained. Shiva Purana has been explained in Levakshi temple. So what is that? During the time of Vijayanagar kings, during the time or during the days of Vijayanagar kings, what happened? Art and architecture. What is the meaning of architecture? We have to think. Architecture means Vastu Shilpa Brahmana Kale. That means the art of making buildings. during the Vijayanagara period, what was that? Art and architecture began to develop. During the time of Vijayanagara kings, art and architecture began to develop. That means Percy Brown came during Percy Brown. Percy Brown visited India during this time. Percy Brown clearly told that Dravidian style. Percy Brown clearly told that Dravidian style of architecture was there in India during this time, Dravidian style. Then they made so many temples. They made a Viruvasha temple during this time. Viruvasha temple they made. Joas Madhivani, Dashavadara picture has been explained here. Dashavadara picture has been explained here. Vittala Swami temple was there. Levashi temple was there. In Levashi temple what was there? Shiva Purana has been explained. Shiva Purana has been explained in Levashi temple. So what I told, I will say once more. Once more I will tell you. During the time of Vijayanagara kings, what was there? During the time of Vijayanagara kings, art and architecture was highly developed. Art and architecture really developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Percy Brown visited India during this time. Percy Brown. He was a foreign traveler. Percy Brown was a foreign traveler. During Vijayanagara period, he is telling that during the Vijayanagara period, Dravidian style of architecture. Percy Brown is telling that during Vijayanagara period, Dravidian style of architecture began to develop. Dravidian style of architecture developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. They made so many temples of their own. They made all the temples with the granite stones. By using granite stones, they made their buildings and temples. Viruvasha temple they made in Hampi. And inside Viruvasha temple, Dashavadara has been clearly explained. Inside Viruvasha temple, Dashavadara has been clearly explained. Vittala Swami temple also they made. And Levashi temple also they made. Inside Levashi temple is known as Ajanta of Shaivas. In Levashi temple, Shiva Purana has been clearly explained. During the time of Vijayanagara kings, music also developed. Music really developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Music clearly or music really developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. How music developed that we have to think. Music really developed during the time or during the days of Vijayanagara kings. Music. How it developed that we have to think. Carnatic music really developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Carnatic music. Carnatic music really developed, or Carnatic music clearly developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Carnatic music really or clearly developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Carnatic music. It developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Carnatic music. Then Purandaradasa. Purandaradasa and Kanagadasa really encouraged Carnatic music. And Purandaradasa is known as the father of Carnatic music. Purandaradasa. Purandaradasa has been known as the father of Carnatic music. Purandaradasa made so many songs in Carnatic music. So, Vijayanagara kings encouraged Carnatic music also. Vijayanagara kings encouraged Carnatic music also. So what I told you, during the time of Vijayanagara kings, music was highly developed. Music was highly developed during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Music. Carnatic music developed in South India mainly during the time of Vijayanagara kings. Carnatic music. Purandaradasa and Kanagadasa were two important personalities of Carnatic music. And Purandaradasa is known as the father of Carnatic music. Purandaradasa is the father of Carnatic music. Kanagadasa also encouraged Carnatic music. Purandaradasa came inside Vijayanagara kingdom during the time of Krishnadeva. So, Vijayanagara kings really clearly encouraged Carnatic music. Vijayanagara kings really encouraged Carnatic music. This is a speciality of Vijayanagara period. So, during Vijayanagara period, architecture and literature was highly developed during Vijayanagara period. Thank you, children. I think you are able to follow this one.